and E are the midpoint of AB and AC. And DE produce to F and CF parallel to AB. Construct CF parallel to AB. To prove DE equal to half BC and DE parallel to BC. Parallel to BC. Here the construction. And join C to F. First, how to write? ABC is a triangle. D and E are the midpoint of AB and AC. And DE produce to F. So DE equal to EF. And CF, construct CF parallel to A. The first in triangle AED. In triangle AED and triangle FEC. Vertically opposite. AE equal to EC and this line up here, this equal to this. Alternate. Triangular concurrence. Which axis? Here angle AAS. Yeah. Angle, side angle. Concurrence. And so AD equal to BD. So BD equal to AD equal to CF. Concurrency. Then BD equal to CF. Why? B is the midpoint of AB. So AD equal to BD. So BD equal to CF. So and BD parallel to CF. So BCFD is a parallelogram. In a parallelogram, opposite side parallel and equal. So DF equal to BC and DF equal to DE plus EF equal to BC. Here twice DE equal to BC, then BC equal to half. Understood? The first, right? In triangle AEB and triangle EFC. Angle AED equal to angle CEF. Vertically opposite angle. AE equal to EC. E is midpoint. Angle DAE, here DAE equal to angle ECF. Alternate. Here triangle AED, concurrence triangle EFC. XC ASA. You find here AD equal to CF and DE equal to EF. AD equal to CF and DE equal to EF. CP, CP, C. Convex part of a convex triangular convex. And then AD equal to BD and BD equal to CF and BD parallel to CF. Hence BCFD is a parallelogram. Then DF equal to BC. In DF, DE plus EF equal to BC. Here twice DE equal to BC. So DE equal to half BC. D is the midpoint of AB and DE parallel to BC to prove E is midpoint of AC. So here AE equal to EC proof. And the same time here DE reduced to F such that EF parallel to AB. So BCFD is a parallelogram. Is it parallelogram? The midpoint theorem. In the parallelogram, D is the midpoint of the AD and DE parallel to BC. And this triangle vertically opposite equal to, and this angle equal to this. Alternate. So E is the midpoint of AC. First the vertically opposite, and this is alternate, and D produced to F. So DE equal to EF. So side angle side AAS. So E is the midpoint of AC. One is the midpoint and the side parallel. So other side also the midpoint of the side AC. CD is a parallelogram and AC is the diagonal. E is the midpoint of AB and F is the midpoint of DC. To prove AP equal to PQ equal to QC. To prove here AP equal to PQ equal to QC. First listen and then write. First, here ABCD is a parallelogram. E is the midpoint of AB. F is the midpoint of BC. So D F equal to EB and DF parallel to B. Yes or no? Yes. So EBFD is a parallel. Understood? And the first in a triangle CPD. First in a triangle CPD. Here F is the midpoint of the DC and FQ parallel to DP. So Q is the midpoint of CP. The PC. Which theorem? Converge of the midpoint theorem. Now in triangle ABQ. Now in triangle ABQ. E is the midpoint of AB and PE parallel to BQ. So P is the midpoint of AQ. Where come from here? This point? Converge of the midpoint theorem. So AP equal to PQ. Here CQ equal to PQ. And then from first and second you write here AP equal to PQ equal to QC. And this line trisected the diagonal AQ equal to PQ equal to QC. Understood? First, ABCD is a parallelogram. E is the midpoint of AB. F is the midpoint of DC. So DF equal and parallel to BE. So DEBF is a parallelogram first. And then write first in triangle CPD. F is the midpoint of DC and FQ parallel to DP. So Q is the midpoint of CP. So PQ equal to CQ. Now in triangle ABQ, E is the midpoint and PQ parallel to EP parallel to BQ. So P is the midpoint of AQ. Converge of the midpoint theorem. You write here AP equal to PQ. From first and second, AP equal to PQ equal to QC. Right. And solution given ABCD is a parallelogram. E is midpoint of AB and F is midpoint of CD. So EB parallel to DF, hence EB FD is a parallelogram. And then triangle PCD. In triangle PCD, F is midpoint of CD, FQ parallel to PD, hence Q is midpoint of PC. So PQ equal to QC first. Now in triangle ABQ, E is midpoint of AB, EP parallel to BQ, so P is midpoint of AQ. AP equal to PQ. Second, from first and second, so AP equal to PQ equal to QC. QED instead of, right? Quadrilateral, how many sides?
4 sides.
Here E, F, G, H are the midpoint of AB, BC, CD and AD. Join. Here to prove EF, GH is a parallelogram. First to consider join B to D. B to D. In triangle ABD, H and E are the midpoint of AD and AB. So HE equal to half and parallel to BD. Where come from this statement? From the midpoint theorem. Now in triangle BCD. Now in triangle BCD, F and G are the midpoint of BC and DC. So GF equal and parallel to half BD. Half BD. So EF equal and parallel to GF. Equal and parallel to GF. Similarly, you write that. Similarly, EF parallel and equal to HG. Hence, EFGH is a parallelogram. Understood? Right. In triangle ABD. In triangle ABD, H and E are the midpoint of AD and AB. So EH equal and parallel to RBD. In triangle BCD, F and G are the midpoint of CD and BC. CD and BC. GF equal and parallel to half BD. So EH equal and parallel to GC, and then you write the similarly. Similarly, EF equal and parallel to HG. Hence, EF GH is a parallelogram. F. ये GF equal and parallel to half AD, and so EH yeah, EH equal and parallel to GF, not C, GF. AB, AC and BC. To prove triangle DEF is an equilateral triangle. DEF is an equilateral triangle. So first, how to prove? Here, DE are the midpoint of AB and AC. So DE equal and parallel to half BC. So DE equal to BF, DF, DE equal to FC also.
Yes.
And DF equal to half AC, and EF equal to half AB. All the sides are equal. So AB, AC and BC are equal. So half BD. So DF, EF and DE equal. First we write D and F are the midpoint of the AD and BC. So DF equal to half AC. E and F are the midpoint of AC and BC. So EF equal to half AB. D and EF are the midpoint of AD and AC. So DE equal to half BC. So DEF is an equilateral triangle. First you make is an equilateral triangle. The midpoint theorem. Their solution? D and E are midpoint of AB and AC. So DE equal to half BC. Now D and F are midpoint of AB and BC. So DF equal to half AC. E and F the midpoint of BC and AC. So EF equal to half AB. Here first, second and third. From first, second and third. So DE equal to DF equal to EF. Hence DEF is an equilateral